How to fix Facebook star monetization button not showing. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. From here, navigate to top right corner on that profile icon with three-line icon. That's gonna take you to menu page, and if you scroll down a bit under this section, you'll find an option as professional dashboard. Tap on it. Now from this professional dashboard, if you scroll down a bit under this tool section, there is a monetization. Tap on it. Now to have this feature unlocked, you have to be eligible for these features. Then only be able to use all these features such as stars in monetization. If you are not eligible yet, then you might not be able to have this feature in your Facebook profile. But if you are already eligible and you are still not able to have this stars button in your Facebook profile, then what you can do is go back and from this menu page scroll down a bit, then tap on help and support. Then tap on report a problem. Then tap on continue to report a problem. And then tap on include. Here scroll down and you'll find an option add stars, so tap on it. So here you'll get a description box where you can describe your issue. Just say that you are already eligible for the Facebook monetization but still you are not able to find that star button in your profile. So please help me to recover this issue as soon as possible. And once you describe this issue, you can upload a screenshot of your issue as well. For that, you have to take a screenshot where you are not able to see the star option, and after that tap on upload from phone and simply upload that screenshot right here. Once you're done, tap on this send option from the top right corner. And after a few business days, Facebook will get you back and will notify you and will help you with that issue, and you might get your Facebook monetization star button back in your Facebook profile. So this is the way to fix this Facebook star monetization button not showing in your Facebook profile. And that's all for today's video. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.